Good afternoon, Robbie. It's Jay here from Anchor Cars. Just going to send you a short video of the Skoda. So we've only had the vehicle 11 days. It's been through our workshop, however, cosmetically hasn't been fully prepared just yet. Front parking sensors, flat grille. I believe that's part of the VRS. The alloys do need refurbishing, so they're booked in. I believe they'll be refurbished tomorrow. Red brake calipers. We're also going to have a polish down each side. Black roof rails. Got reversing camera. Also got a parcel shelf here. 7 seats. Also this area as well is booked in for, so that's going to be fully painted as well. Sliding panoramic roof. Canton speakers. We also have memory seats, electric seats. Automatic start. Keyless start as well. Mileage on the vehicle 71,300. Over to the main multimedia system. This will show you reversing camera, sat nav, DAB radio stations. Got your heated seat controls as well as your climate controls, and your DSG automatic gear shifter. This is the 4-wheel drive model as well. Thanks for watching. Hope you found it helpful. Look forward to speaking to you soon.